Close the door a little bit.
Alright, I will join the game for now. Oh wait, hold on, I'm using the wrong.
What the? Yeah, what happened to you?
Alright, much better. Ah shit, wait, hold on.
You just changed your skin?
Alright. Hey, where's my pot hat? God dang it.
I thought you was changing your skin.
Why am I in a Chinese outfit? Oh my. Alright, here. Why am I a Roblox noob? But I don't get it. Oh my god. Why did I turn to 1x? Oh my god.
What the f is going on?
Oh my god. Why do I look like that now?
You look cute. Come on, let's go.
Okay, you know what, good idea. I can't find my main avatar anyway. So let's just continue with this.
Alright, do it. Do the intro. What's up,
Yeah.
guys? Just to know, we kind of fucked up because with the dead girls,
no cussing!
sounds so sick.
Hey, don't cuss! Don't you dare cuss! How dare you? Don't cuss.
Shit, it's my fault. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cuss. Okay, sorry.
Anyways, back to the game. Coffee.
Hey, give me that.
Hey, we same class now. Yay!
What do you mean Chinese? Liam, look at me. I'm Chinese.
Okay, we get it.
Somebody, yeah.
Don't you think that's pretty racist?
I'm not trying to be racist.
Oh wait, it's not racist. Because you already look Chinese since you're Muslim. Thank you for coming to our shop. Please come again. If you get your head broken.
You mean hospital.
Right.
He's making a monolith and curse Rami.
Isn't that the surgeon? It was surgeon, right? Was it the surgeon or paramedic? I don't remember.
He did
give him the coffee. Give him the coffee. Give him the coffee.
Yeah. If we manage to do every right things, he will give us another coffee machine.
I know, so give him the coffee.
Hold up, we have to wait for like this.
Okay then, I'll just play Super Smash Bros on my Nintendo then. While we wait.
Fine, I'm going.
I'm off to play Super Smash Bros. Bye.
Count how much money I have. I'm gonna have my $1 million. And, wait up, I'm touching my balls.
Yeah.
Sorry, I actually cut my balls.
Boom.
Now let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 1. Coffee is ready. Hold up. Drink. Now give him the last. Boom! So now we need to do the easy. Okay, Liev, I give him coffee. Liev.
Oh wait, sorry, I was busy playing Super Smash Bros. Alright, I am back.
Yeah, just remember the Nintendo, it was so fucking asshole. Yeah, so guys, if we manage to hit 400 subscribers, I will show my cat. Hold on, Liev. Liev.
What?
Can you check one of the cameras?
Okay, why? Did you know that if you let him break the window, he can make another gap for the window so he can check in more customers? Did you know that?
Are you fucking dumbass? Nope, nope, he's anomaly, he's anomaly, he's anomaly. He's anomaly. He's
What if we let him
tweaking,
in? What happens?
No, 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 no,
What
no,
happens
no.
if we let him in? What if we let it in?
No, no.
What happens if we let him in?
No, we're not letting him. We're not letting him in.
What happens if we let him in? Yeah, trust me, I got this.
We're going to die if you're stupid ass in that. You killed us. You killed us.
Trust me,
Yeah,
trust
you
me,
duped
trust
us.
me.
Oh.
Trust me, I know what I'm doing, Muhammad. I know what I'm doing. I know. Trust me, Muhammad. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Trust me, trust me. Watch me as I cook this up. Oh.
Let's. Oh wait. Zero, maple zero.
I'm already on it.
Give him.
Watch me.
He's so
Alright, watch me.
cute.
Watch me.
Why is Sterling cute?
I don't know why why some people call Star. What was that? Now watch what I do. Watch as I cook. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
I already have.
Wait, no. Muhammad, that wasn't part of the plan. I was going to give him the wrong treatment so I can kill him.
Oh fuck! One camera down. Yeah, the camera is down.
The camera is dead. Let's do this. Get eat it. With the meat. Alright, here's the meat. Here. That is. Alright. Eat the biscuit. Eat the biscuit. Eat this. Where's this? There. Where am Muhammad? I'm not eating. What? Oh my god, I'm giving it out. Wait, what if I give it to a No. I did it. I'm working. What?
There's an anomaly.
Oh god. Hey! Stay away. It's attacking me. Stay away.
On this, how to say croissant.
Oh
wait,
I got this.
Wait, I know what to do. No, put him in the trash can. Put him in the trash.
Why?
Yeah, it still counts. Just trust me.
Alright.
Put him. Nice.
Muhammad, I feel evil for doing this. Barney! Your Barney is here.
Barney?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. What do you need? What do you need?
Let's see. Hello, friend. Can I get another coffee? Sure, I'll give you coffee. I have a little coffee here.
No, that's what we need to do. Oh my gosh.
No problem.
Yeah.
May I ask for a favor, friend? Alright. What do you want? Can you keep this suitcase safe for a while? He's gonna give us a suitcase.
Yes!
Interesting.
That's what we need!
What's in this suitcase? The suitcase feels heavy.
Yeah, that's what we need!
Why? What's in this suitcase?
Kids, it's one of the... Hold up. Show me, hold up. It's the part of how to get the coffee machine.
Alright, if you insist.
But in Barney suddenly in here, and then the police has just come here. Just close the shutters, okay?
Oh, not that freaky guy. You look freaky.
Nah, bros look like... Nah, let me tase him up.
You look freaky. Yeah! Ow.
Yeah, goodbye. Oh, but I'm gonna need to wait for like a long time for this. I wish I had the security class. I have an appointment. Yeah, I'm checking the cameras.
I am floating.
Bro, you T-posing right now.
Yes.
Well, for now, we're gonna lesson Dino Mommy ASMR, if you don't mind.
Let's give him the appointment. Let's see. He's innocent. A fire. Oh, you, Muhammad, you go there. You go there. Muhammad, grab this fire extinguisher.
Signature. Let me put it off. With my mighty power, with Mommy Dino ASMR. Okay, I need help.
Wait a second. There's a fire in room 5, and he's going to move. Wait a damn second!
Wait a minute! It's an
Wait.
anomaly!
I have a weird feeling in my gut. I have that weird feeling in my gut that. Wait, Muhammad, let me treat him. Let me treat him.
Yeah, my balls are shivering like timbers. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's going on.
Let me do this. Muhammad, let me deal with this guy.
If you turn to an anomaly, I'm bringing taser. What the? Is that why that weird slimy thing is in here? Oh, the lights are like, tell me why.
Oh no, I was wrong! Oh god. Oh no, no. Oh no. I was wrong.
Lasers did.
I thought that was an anomaly!
You stupid ass. Ah, shit, hold up. I need this.
Oh no, what have I done? Kill him in another way. Why, do you want to kill him?
Look up. Yeah, look up.
Oh, hello there!
Okay. I'll kill him. Yeah, that wasn't an anomaly.
Oh, shit!
It wasn't an anomaly!
Bro, but the eyes, the monster eyes are spawned.
Huh?
Oh, gosh.
Hey, what's he doing there?
Bad.
There's been a huge anomaly attack. Oh, well, that can't be good. Oh no. Muhammad, lock in. Muhammad, spread out. Muhammad, spread out.
I will told you.
What the?
They're coming.
The ambulance here! Oh my god. How many are there? I got it! Get it! I got it!
First, this is
Ah.
let me get it.
I lock in.
Please, yeah. One camera is down.
Well, I don't care. That the camera doesn't matter right now.
Don't worry, homie. I will do you CPR. Hold up. CPR. Oh!
Hey!
I did the CPR.
Oh my god.
I covered. Oh! 3 things. I'm screaming right now. My sister.
Yo, take care of the surgery thing.
Serious? Fine. I'm using my soda. No, I don't have time. It's going to die.
You got this, Muhammad.
I'm looking at. 20 seconds.
Don't worry, Muhammad, I'll help you. I'm coming.
You do it. Heart.
Come on.
Fast. Hurry.
I got this. 3, 2. No!
And we died. Congratulations, Liam. Why you didn't tell me later? Why you didn't tell me later? Why you didn't tell me later? Why?